Hi everybody, this is going to be CR4 question number 4 that we're going to be working on an example for. First thing we notice is that there's not just one, but there's two terms on the left side of the equal sign. So that means that I'm going to go ahead and I am going to draw my ladder. The ladder method. Anything I do to one side of the ladder, I have to do to the other. Now remember, I can't put together any of these terms on the left side because they're not like terms. So that means I have to start moving them to the other side of the equal sign in order to get the x by itself. So the first thing I have to look at is my constant. The opposite of subtracting 5 is adding 5. And since I want this to zero out, I have to do the opposite. So adding 5 to both sides will give me a beautiful zero value on this side, which is what I want, to cancel that out and be left with a 4x. I'm one step closer to getting that x by itself. I then bring down my equal sign, and I know that negative 15 plus 5. Now remember, I have more negatives, so more bad guys. I've got 15 bad guys, 5 good guys. I have more bad guys, so I know my answer is negative. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 5. Signs are different. I find the difference. 15 minus 5 is 10. There we go. Now I'm left with 4 times x equals negative 10. Once again, I ask myself, how is the 4 and the x attached? They're attached by multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do division. I'm going to do this in a different color just so you can see it. So I'm going to divide both sides now by the 4 because that's the coefficient in front of the variable. And I want to get the variable by itself, and 4 divided by 4 is just a fancy form of 1, which is what I want, 1x. And now I have negative 10 divided by 4. Well, a negative divided by a positive is a negative. And then I just have 10 divided by 4. Don't get nervous. Sometimes we have fractions as answers, and that's okay. 4 goes into 10 2 times. That's 4 times 2 is 8. When I subtract, I'm left with 2. So remember, this number now becomes my numerator. So I have 2 and 2 fourths. And where did the 4 come from? Right here. So can I simplify 2 and 2 fourths? You bet I can. 2 fourths can simplify to 1/2. So there I am. X is equal to negative 2 and 1/2.